Changing your bank account on Notion Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Notion account. Visit the Notion website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing your business account to make the necessary changes. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. This is typically found in the sidebar under your account profile icon. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access billing information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update bank account details. Find the option to edit or update your bank account information. Enter your new bank account details as required. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new bank account information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a confirmation message or notification to ensure that your updates have been successfully applied. By following these steps, you can easily change your bank account on Notion Business. Make sure to double check your details to ensure smooth transactions in the future.